Good evening. Welcome to Auto News Channel. The global luxury SUV market is poised for significant growth, with projections indicating a $38 billion increase from 2025 to 2029, according to a new report by Technavio. The market is expected to grow at a compound annual growth rate (CAGR) of 11.8% during this period, driven by rising consumer demand for safety, comfort, and cutting-edge technology. One of the key trends reshaping the industry is the rapid development of electric luxury vehicles, as automakers respond to stricter emission standards and growing environmental concerns. However, the market faces challenges, including declining exclusivity of luxury cars and economic pressures impacting consumer spending. Major players in the luxury SUV space, such as BMW, Mercedes-Benz, Volvo, and Tesla, are leading the charge with innovative electric vehicle EV offerings. For instance, BMW introduced 10 EV models in late 2022, including plug-in hybrids and fully electric vehicles, with plans to launch 25 EVs by 2025. Similarly, Mercedes-Benz, Jaguar Land Rover, and Volvo are expanding their EV lineups to meet the demand for sustainable transportation solutions. Market drivers: safety, comfort, and AI. Consumer preferences are shifting towards SUVs that prioritize safety, comfort, and advanced technology. Features like collision avoidance systems, blind spot monitoring, and state-of-the-art infotainment systems are becoming standard, even as automakers focus on enhancing performance and driving range for electric models. AI is also playing a pivotal role in redefining the luxury SUV landscape, from improving battery technology to enabling smarter connectivity systems. These advancements are helping brands differentiate themselves in a competitive market. Challenges ahead: despite the growth, the luxury SUV market faces hurdles. Raw material shortages and shipping delays continue to disrupt production, while economic slowdowns are affecting consumer disposable incomes. Additionally, the declining exclusivity of luxury vehicles poses a challenge, as advanced features once reserved for high-end models are now increasingly available in mid-segment cars. The road ahead: automakers are investing heavily in powertrains, safety features, and brand experience to attract buyers. Financing options, after-sales services, and exclusive promotions are also critical to maintaining consumer loyalty. As the market evolves, the focus will remain on balancing innovation with affordability, ensuring compliance with emission standards, and meeting the ever-changing demands of luxury SUV buyers. For Auto News Network, I'm Monica Jarrett. Stay tuned for more updates on the latest trends shaping the automotive industry.